Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe. You know what I do. I go find drinks and I bring them straight to you. Today, we are in the brand new Harpeth Hotel in historic Franklin, Tennessee at the 1799 Club and Bar. And today, we are going to make a classic Manhattan for you. And my boy Tony, right
Hello.
here.
We're gonna make a delicious Manhattan.
I think that's a great idea.
What do you think?
I think that's a fantastic idea.
Can't go wrong with a Manhattan.
What do you think? Let's let him do it. Tony, have at it.
Let's do it. Chill this glass, although we keep it chill. We're gonna use a Kochi sweet vermouth, an ounce of that, and a Old Forester rye, 2 ounces of that. Some Angostura bitters, about 3 to 4 dashes of that, 1 ounce.
How many twirls do you give it, Tony?
We're gonna stir it for about 15-20 seconds just to get it cold because it's a syrup top and get all those ingredients together. Tastes really good. Nice. Delicious soda cherry.
Gotta have a cherry.
Gotta have a cherry with a Manhattan. Cheers.
Tony, thank you very much. The Harpeth is the very first hotel in all of Franklin. We have a classic cocktail and a classic hotel. Let's give this a try, Tony. Let's know what I
Let me
think.
know what you think.
I will. Tony, you are a master. Thank you, my friend. The Manhattan, here at the 1799 Club at the historic, well, I guess it's close to historic, the Harpeth Hotel here in Franklin, Tennessee. To get the recipe, go to PourManLike.com and push this button right here. You'll instantly become PourMan, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode, and some other cool stuff as we travel along. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See you around.